America will never be destroyed from the outside. If we falter and lose our freedoms, it will be because we destroyed ourselves. Do I not destroy my enemies when I make them my friends? Those who deny freedom to others, deserve it not for themselves. We can complain because rose bushes have thorns, or rejoice because thorns have roses. There are no bad pictures, that's just how your face looks sometimes. Whenever I hear anyone arguing for slavery, I feel a strong impulse to see it tried on him personally. When I do good, I feel good. When I do bad, I feel bad. That's my religion. My concern is not whether God is on our side, my greatest concern is to be on God's side, for God is always right. I'm a success today because I had a friend who believed in me and I didn't have the heart to let him down. I am a slow walker, but I never walk back. Subscribe to our channel to be the first to receive messages from more famous people.